Well, guys, stupid COVID is still going strong, and I can't really go off-roading, so guess I'm gonna have to go at home. On the red truck, got some new meat, going for that classic truck kind of look. I kind of want KC lights on that bed rack up there. I think that would be cool. Of course, we got America right there. But these are it. I went purely for looks here. I've never had KO2s, but you know, I hear mixed reviews. Usually they're pretty good for most people. I think they will be pretty good. But we got BF Goodrich all-terrain TA KO2s for that classic kind of badass 90s truck, classic truck look, and I like it. And of course, since you've seen it a few months ago on the channel, I have blacked out the Suburban. I love this truck. This truck is so mean and heavy duty, and it does look cool blacked out. This is actually paint, and this is vinyl wrap. So I did it myself, kind of combo deal. Obviously the back bumper is black as well, and I went with the taillight covers there. Just give it a mean look. All right, so there you have it, guys. Not a crazy exciting off-roading video, more just horsing around in the yard. But you know what, it is a lot of fun in person, and you do what you can in these crazy times, so remember to stay safe. I know it sucks that a lot of stuff is closed, but maybe I can find somewhere open. I hope at least go off-roading once a season. But the old girls did good. The old work truck Z71 is awesome. It's my favorite, and it's like a split. This is my other favorite, and the 95 Suburban is awesome as well. It's extremely heavy duty. I wish you could tell the difference inside. The Z71 is like really kind of quicker and soaks up everything really good. It's extremely poised and good off-road back here. And the Suburban is big and spacious and kind of beastly and heavy, but for being, you know, similar trucks and of the same year, they are quite different. The Suburban is like very, very heavy duty, very big, and rides a lot rougher. You can tell that it's much stiffer. Well, remember to throw a thumbs up on there, guys, for hopefully me getting to some actual off-roading again, like the good old days. And subscribe for more truck, off-road, and automotive content. Like always, I'll catch you later.